Hi, welcome to Analytics for All. In this lesson, we're going to be covering converting a date time to a date using pandas in Python. As with all my lessons, I have a full write-up on my website, analyticsforall.org. I will leave a link to this website in the description below. Okay, so as it says here on the website, the syntax for doing this is pretty simple. Whatever column in your data frame has a date time in it, we're going to use PD, because we're using pandas, to date time, the name of the column, and date, DT, and date. Now this will actually overwrite this column. So if you wanted to do it, you could say this would be column 1, and that would make the change there. So let's actually go ahead. We're going to build a data frame and then see how to put this together. Okay, so we go into here, go into our pandas. Go into our Jupyter notebook. We'll paste this. So again, imported pandas is PD. This is really fast. Building a quick data frame. As you can see, I created a data frame with 2 columns, job start and time. So the job start, demolition, construction, cleanup, and time. So if we go ahead and run this, let's go ahead, we'll just add just so we can see it at the end, we'll add a line to print the data frame. Okay, run. So there you go. You have 2 columns, but you notice this is not a date, it's a time stamp, so it's date time. So let's go ahead and we'll run this right here. So what we're going to do is once again, we're going to say time, PD2 date time, the column that's being affected, and DT and date. Now let's do something a little different just to show you. I'm going to call this converted. So we'll just add a new column to our data frame this way, so we're not overwriting. And then again, once we're done, we're going to print our data frame. So go ahead and run. So as you can see now, we have job start, time, and convert time. Convert time is now just a date. If I wanted to go back and actually change the actual data frame, so I don't have to worry about that, an extra column. If I just wanted to get the original column, I could just save it as time, and then I'll print this. And as you'll see, now the time column has been converted to a date, from a timestamp to a date. Okay, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, hit the subscribe and make some comments below and like, and just leave some comments, anything else you'd like me to cover. Again, thank you for joining. This has been Analytics for All.